Students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.4. Now problem number 6. From the curve y that is equal to x, draw y that is equal to minus x, y that is equal to 2x, y that is equal to x plus 1, y that is equal to half x plus 1, and 2x plus y plus 3 equals 0. Totally 5 subdivisions. We can do one by one. First, we can construct a graph y that is equal to x. Have taken some x values minus 3 to plus 3. Here x and y are equal. Therefore, when x equals minus 3, y also minus 3. And x equals minus 2, y also minus 2. Like that, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So, plot all the points. So, what are the points to be plotted? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Have plotted all the points. Here I consider x-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. Even in y-axis I consider 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So what are all the points? Again I tell you 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Like that. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. Join all the points. This is the graph y that is equal to x. Now y that is equal to minus x. This is the first subdivision. Same value have taken minus 3 to plus 3. Replace x by minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. X equals minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. Substitute x equals minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Then 0. Write 0 only. Substitute x equals 1. Minus 1. Substitute x equals 2. Minus 2. And substitute x equals 3. Minus 3. So plot all the points. Minus 3, 3, minus 2, 2. Up to 3, minus 3. Have plotted all the points. We are getting the graph. This graph, this is y equal to f of x, this is y equal to minus f of x. You know very well, y equal to minus f of x is a reflection of the graph y that is equal to x about what axis? X axis. This entire graph is reflection of this graph about x axis. Subdivision 1 is completed. Now subdivision number 2, y that is equal to 2x given. Just I have taken minus 2 to plus 2. Replace x by minus 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Substitute x equals minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then substitute x equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. Then 1. 2 ones are 2. Then 2. 2 twos are 4. Plot all the points. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 4. Here it is actually minus 4. Okay. Haven't mentioned here. It will be minus 2, minus 4, then minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 4, 4 here will be. Okay. So join all the points. You'll be getting a straight line. It is also passing through the origin. When comparing these two, this is a given graph and this is subdivision number 2. Look at that. This graph is stretching towards y-axis comparatively. This graph, particularly y equals x and y equals 2x, look at that. This portion is stretching towards what axis? Stretching towards x-axis, sorry, y-axis. This concept already we have discussed in dilation. If the positive constant is greater than 1, the graph moves away from the x-axis. If the positive constant is less than 1, the graph moves towards x-axis. Okay. Here y that is equal to x, here y equals 2x. 2 is the constant which is greater than 1. Therefore, y equal to x is compresses towards what axis? Y-axis. Look at that. Compresses towards y-axis. Even we can say it is moving away from x-axis. Have given here causes the graph of the function. This graph of the function y equal to x compresses towards y-axis and moves away from x-axis since 2 is greater than 1. Subdivision 2 is over. Now we can go for subdivision number 3. Subdivision number 3, y that is equal to x plus 1. First we can draw y that is equal to x. Already I have drawn y that is equal to x. Then y that is equal to x plus 1. I consider y that is equal to f of x. This one is y equals f of x plus d. That constant is added with x. Constant is added with the function f of x. If it is, it causes a shift of y that is equal to x to the upward by 1 unit. See, here I replace x by 0. If it is 0, y that is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. So 0 comma 1 is the point. If I take x that is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. So 1 comma 2 is another point. Like that, I take one negative number minus 1. If you replace x by minus 1 plus 1 that is equal to 0. So y value is 0, x value minus 1. So minus 1 comma 0. Like that you will be getting minus 2 comma minus 1 minus 3 comma minus 2. If you join everything, look at that difference between these two. This graph causes the shift of y that is equal to x to the upward by 1 unit. Look at that, 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0, here it is passing through 0 comma 1, upward by 1 unit. 1 comma 1, then it is passing through 1 comma 2. 1 comma 1, here 1 comma 2, it passes through 1 comma 2, upward by 1 unit. Like that, minus 1, here upward by 1 unit means it is passing through minus 1 comma 0. Okay, so the entire graph is upward by 1 unit, that is y equal to x plus 1. Next one, subdivision number 4. Subdivision number 4, y that is equal to half x plus 1. This is the question. First we can draw y that is equal to half x. The given graph is y that is equal to x. Given graph is y that is equal to x. Here y that is equal to half x first. Half, that is less than 1. If it is less than 1, you know that it causes the graph of the function y equal to x stretches towards x-axis. Look at that. Comparing these two graph, here the graph y equal to x, that is stretching towards the x-axis, that is y equal to half x. Look at that shape of the curve. Here it is stretching towards x-axis because half is less than 1. Now we can come to that y that is equal to half x plus 1. I consider half x that is equal to f of x. Here 1 is added with the f of x. So what form it is? Y that is equal to f of x plus d. So plus d. So we can say it causes the graph of the function y that is equal to half x to the upward by 1 unit. Upward by 1 unit. Here half x, here half x plus 1. Passing through 0 comma 0. So upward by 1 unit means it is passing through 0 comma 1. It is passing through 2 comma 1. Upward by 1 unit means 2 comma 2. Okay. Here passing through minus 2 minus 1. Upward by 1 unit means it is passing through minus 2 comma 0. Understand? So it is y that is equal to half x plus 1. Total 4 subdivisions so far we have completed. The last subdivision, subdivision number 5. Subdivision number 5, 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. I retain y alone in the left hand side, plus 2x comes right hand side minus 2x, plus 3 comes right hand side minus 3. So actually here 4 stages. First one is the starting one, y that is equal to x. Stage 1, y that is equal to x. Then stage 2, y that is equal to 2x. Stage 3, y that is equal to minus 2x. Stage 4 only will be getting y that is equal to minus 2x minus 3. Already have drawn y that is equal to x. This is a given graph. Then how to get y that is equal to 2x? Here 2 is multiplied with x. That 2 is greater than 1. For getting this graph y that is equal to 2x, this y equal to x to be compressed towards what axis? Y axis. Right? That is given here. Causes the graph of the function y equal to x compresses towards y axis. or even we can say moves away from x-axis. Moves away from x-axis or compresses towards y-axis for getting this graph, because 2 is greater than 1. Now I got y that is equal to 2x. Now I am going to get y that is equal to minus 2x. Y equal to 2x. 2x I consider as f of x. Minus 2x, that is minus f of x. Here f of x, here minus f of x. You know very well, minus f of x is the reflection of f of x about what axis? X-axis. It is passing through the origin and lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. Here it is also passing through the origin but lies in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So y equal to minus 2x. This graph is the reflection of this graph about what axis? X-axis. Now final part. Here y that is equal to minus 2x. Here it is. This is y equal to minus 2x minus 3. I consider minus 2x as f of x. The same f of x, here it is minus 3. So f of x minus d form, d. If it is minus d, you know very well, causes the shift of the graph y that is equal to minus 2x to the downward by 3 units. Because what's the number here? 3. Downward by 3 units means here it is passing through origin. Downward by 3 units means it is passing through 0, 3. Okay. Now I take one more point. It is passing through this y equals minus 2x, passing through this point. What point it is? I take here minus 1. This is 2. Correct? Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Now downward by 3 points. 3 points now. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. So this graph must be passing through what point it is? Minus 1, minus 1. Look at that. Downward by 3 units. Okay. So all the 5 subdivisions and all completed. And problem number 6. I'll be teaching that problem number 7 in the next video. Thank you, children.